Hello everybody, welcome back to Cubit with Ray, and today I'm going to review my most recent purchase from cubelelo.com. So let's begin. So as you can see, this is the Meilong from magnetic version from cubelelo.com. In the box it contains the cube, a nice Moyu cube stand and a tensioning screwdriver. So from the cube, the color shades are a little different. Blue is a bit darker. Green is also a bit darker. Let's see, orange is almost similar. And red is also almost similar. Yellow is also turned into neon, and white obviously will be the same. So let's focus on the turning of the new cube. So as you can see, it's a really fast cube. And it costs very less. It is a magnetic Rubik's Cube and it has very high speed and very stableness. And compared to the other one, like many lockups I am facing. So this cube is nice, and let's check out its corner cutting. So let's start with easy, almost line to line, not quite there, little less to line, correct. 45 degrees, nice. Now let's check out backward. Okay, 45. Okay, quite not, can't do 45, but still there. While as in on this cube, okay, can't do 45 that much. Okay, the corner cutting is much easier on this cube, and I'd like to end with one song. And thank you for letting me speak today about this cube. And if you want to purchase this cube or any other cube, check the link down in the description. So, thank you all for watching. Bye. See, until next time.